What's up, guys? I'm Jeremy at LiFePO4 and today I want to show you a brand new battery. I'm stoked about it. I know I'm a lithium battery nerd. 30 amp hour amped outdoors lithium battery. Now this battery has the same footprint as a 12 amp hour sealed lead acid battery. Look at that, just a little bit taller. Same footprint as the 18 amp hour lithium iron phosphate battery. Cool thing about this is it's gonna fit in your Garmin bag. It's gonna fit in your Panoptix there. You do have to take off the handle to get it in there, but man, you're looking at 24. Depending on if you're running LiveScope or Panoptix, you're looking at 24 to 30 hours runtime. Where originally it had come with a sealed lead acid battery, where you're looking at 6 amp hours of usable capacity, because of sealed lead acid you can only use half the capacity without damaging the battery's ability to retain a charge. Yeah, this is pretty excited. These are now on the website. When you order, they're $189.99. So to put that in perspective, that's $6.33 an amp hour for a lithium iron phosphate battery. That is dirt cheap. This is a great deal right here. When you order from ISO Power, you get the ISO Power sticker, and you have the option to add your 3 amp charger. Another thing about this battery, check this out. It's gonna fit in the boxes. So that battery, that's gonna make this a 60 amp hour power box, guys. $30 and $30. So when you're wiring up box, very important. Positive to positive, negative to negative. That's parallel. You don't want to wire these up in series. You want to wire them up in parallel. In series, you're going to increase your voltage. It'll be a 24 volt system. We don't want that. We want to increase the capacity. So 30 amp hours and 30 amp hours wired in parallel. 60 amp hour battery bank here in the power box. You are going to be... You probably won't even need to charge it during the ice season if you went that route. I mean, there's so much capacity in these compared to where I was when I first started. Man, this is nuts. Weight wise, we'll just weigh this whole box here. 15 pounds, 8.2 ounces with 60 amp hours. That weight was comparable to 12 amp hour, just one 12 amp hour and the box. I mean, it's a little bit less, but I mean, it's pretty close. Let's weigh this 30 up here. On the website, actually says 6 pounds, 10 ounces. 6 pounds, it's weighing in at 6 pounds, 8.3 ounces. These are on the website right now, ISOPower.com. So I expect these to be a big seller this year. Now, one thing to consider, kayak guys, this is not going to run your trolling motor. The max constant current draw on these batteries, 15 amps. You're gonna need more juice. You're gonna need one of these 60 amp hour. These are gonna have the 50 amp draw. You could, if you wanted to, use one of these 30s. These are going to be the same price, but the difference between this one and the one over here on the bench is it's a lot thinner. And this battery here, this has a max draw of 30. So you guys run like water snakes, trolling motors, this battery will work just fine for you. Not the wide one. If you guys have any questions, contact me on the ISO Power page. Thanks, guys.